Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. In today's video, we're going to be diving into the world of crypto mining and how you can earn passive income by mining cryptocurrencies. So, if you're interested in learning more about this topic, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Now, let's get started. Have you ever wondered how people make money by mining cryptocurrencies? If so, then you're in luck, because in this video, we're going to be covering everything you need to know about crypto mining and how you can start earning passive income. First, let's define what crypto mining is. Simply put, mining is the process of verifying transactions on a blockchain network and adding them to the blockchain ledger. In exchange for this work, miners are rewarded with new coins that are created as a result of the mining process. Now, let's talk about how you can start mining cryptocurrencies. The first thing you'll need is a mining rig, which is a specialized computer that's designed for mining cryptocurrencies. You'll also need to download the mining software for the specific cryptocurrency that you want to mine. Once you have your hardware and software set up, you'll need to join a mining pool. A mining pool is a group of miners who combine their computing power to increase their chances of finding a block and earning a reward. Joining a mining pool is a great way to increase your chances of earning passive income, especially if you don't have a lot of computing power. Now, let's talk about the different types of mining. The two most common types of mining are CPU mining and GPU mining. CPU mining is the process of mining cryptocurrencies using your computer's central processing unit, while GPU mining uses your computer's graphics processing unit. GPU mining is generally more efficient and profitable than CPU mining, but it requires more specialized hardware. Finally, let's talk about some of the challenges you might face when mining cryptocurrencies. One of the biggest challenges is the high cost of electricity, as mining can consume a lot of energy. Additionally, as the mining difficulty increases, it becomes harder to find new blocks, which means you'll earn less passive income. And that's a wrap for today's video on Crypto Mining 101. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and we'll do our best to answer them. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.